We've got another defender to do. Let's go. A Defender 90 fucking through a Bodykit. And do you know what, when I stood there I thought, right, I've got it. And now I've stood there, I've not got it.
Can we get started yet? Because I'm getting bored. I've been here now.
Nearer. Too near. Hang on, you're making me look like a pit down. I should do that.
We've been here 2 hours trying to film this intro. Can we just get on with the job, please?
Yeah, I think we get rid of the intro because I don't know what to say, and let's just get on with the build. So, yeah,
let's do this.
Shut up and sit down.
For those of you who say I don't do any work and I just watch Graham do it, that'll do. So as you can see, we've got a Land-Rover Defender 90 in for a full body kit. Side steps, roof light bar, rear bumper, front bumper. Yes, we've got some nice 23-inch wheels. This one should be a really good transformation. It's going from a proper bog standard spec to a full-on kitted out Defender. So we'll show you, we're not going to do a how-to video, but we'll show you some clips of us doing it and then the before and after pictures. I'll put some before pictures in now. Day 2. All we've got left now is the exhaust to custom make, with this only having a single exhaust at one side and it's now having a dual. We've actually got to fabricate the tip, even though it will be fake, to fit on the driver's side, but we've done it before, it'll look good. And we've got some wiring to do, so we'll get them finished and then we'll show you the finished build.
Turn the ignition on now and see if either of them are an ignition feed. Yep, that one is. Who's that one? Fuse 4.
Yes, they're on.
Brought it over to workshop number 7 now, where the real magic happens. I've just made all the mountings and got the exhausts all fitted.
That's a wrap on the Defender build. Just brought the car to the customers. It's going up for sale, so if you are looking for a Defender that's all kitted out and done properly, it will be on their Auto Trader in a few days. Richard?
Thank you very much.
Should we go see the car?
Let's go have a look. That is awesome.
Where can they find this for sale?
So it'll be going on live, amotos.co.uk. I really like that. For God's sake, don't show my wife.
Well, looks like we've got a happy customer. I don't think this car will take long to sell at all. Really, really does look good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the hell out of the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.